Welcome everyone to another video. Today I will walk you through how to pause or stop Windows from updating. And let me be very clear from the get-go, I generally recommend you do not do this because updates include security updates as well as performance updates. And so if your operating system, if Windows is not up to date, you may run into security issues and you may run into performance issues. But I do understand there are occasionally legitimate situations where you may need to pause or stop Windows from updating. And so to do that, just come down here to the Start menu and type in Settings. And we're just going to open up Settings. And then from here, come over to Update and Security. And you'll notice right away you have an option that says Pause Updates for 7 days. You can just click on that and it will pause it for 1 week. If you need more time, come down to Advanced Options. And you'll notice right here there's another section where you can pause it up to 35 days. You just come down to select a date and choose when it will continue. So it will not automatically update until that time has expired. So that's how you do it. Again, keep in mind you do this at your own risk. If you need to do it, that's how you do it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and consider sharing it. And please also consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notifications on future videos.